सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कार, स्वागतम्। अद्यतनी कक्षायाः संख्या वर्तते 33-500तमी। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः दशमः श्लोकः पठितः। वस्तुतः क्षम्यतां, न दशमः, गीतायां दशमः, परन्तु अत्र न। चतुर्थः श्लोकः अस्मिन् गीता भगवद्गीता संग्रहपुस्तके चतुर्थः, परं गीतायां वस्तुतः गीतायां तु दशमः श्लोकः अस्ति। सः पठितः। तत्सम्बन्धी पदार्थः, अन्वयः, आकाङ्क्षा, विस्तरः एते सर्वेपि समाप्ताः आसन्। भावार्थः पठनीयः अद्य। सो वी आर going to read Bhavartha today of the 533rd class. Srinivas, yes, can read.
भगवान् श्रीकृष्णः ईश्वरस्य जन्मकर्मणो ज्ञाने फलम् आह।
So Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Lord Krishna, ईश्वरस्य जन्मकर्मणोः ज्ञाने फलम् आह।
ईश्वरस्य मम जन्म स्वे।
No, I have not translated that. Lord Krishna says here about the Janma Karmanoho, supreme beings, about the Janma, birth and the action, and Jnane Phalam, and the result in knowing the birth and action of the Supreme Lord. He says, yes.
ईश्वरस्य मम जन्म स्वेच्छाकृतं न कर्माभिः आरब्धं।
कर्मभिः
न कर्मभिः आरब्धम्। एकंच कर्म धर्म पालन रूपम साधु परित्राणादि न तु बंधनाय फलदान समर्थम। ईश्वरस्य तन्नाम मम। स्वयं गीता उपदेशः केन दीयते? स्वयं भगवता नारायणेन स्वीय दीयते इति सर्वैः आचार्यैः तत्र अङ्गीकृतमस्ति। निर्विवाद सत्यमस्ति। ईश्वरस्य नाम मम श्रीकृष्णस्य जन्म स्वेच्छाकृतं, स्वेच्छया कृतमस्ति। इट वाज नेसेसिटेड बाय हिज ओन विल, फ्री विल, न कर्मभिः, एंड इट वाज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एक्शंस लाइक वी टेक बर्थ बिकॉज ऑफ एक्शंस। कर्म कारणतः वयं साधारणजनाः सर्वेपि जन्म तत्र प्राप्नुमः, परन्तु ईश्वर विषये तन्न। ईश्वरः स्वेच्छया एव जन्म स्वीकरोति। आरब्धं न कर्मभिः आरब्धम्। ईश्वरस्य परमेश्वरस्य जन्म कर्मभिः न आरब्धं भवति, स्वेच्छया भवति, स्वेच्छया। एकं च, एंड वन मोर थिंग, एकं च कर्म, वन कर्म धर्म पालन रूपम, in the form of protecting the dharma, sadhu paritranadi, and protecting the virtuous people. Natu bandhanaya phala dana samartham, but it is not bandhanaya phala dana samartham. It is not capable of giving phala, result, in the case of attachment. But I am very doubtful about this word used here, ekam cha. Etacha may be better here, etacha, and this, to my mind it looks etacha karma, this karma, dharma palana rupam sadhu paritrana adi natu, and this action of this karma, namely the Ishvara karma, is for protecting the dharma, upholding the dharma and protecting the rich, and not for the giving. Yeah, that is, but etacha would be more better, I feel. Yes, you can read on. एवं च मम
एतदुभयं दिव्यम् अलौकिकम् इत्येवं रूपेण यः जनः तत्त्वतः निर्भ्रान्तं परानुग्रहार्थमेव जानाति सः पार्थिवशरीरस्य त्यागात् परं पुनः मर्त्यलोके जन्म न गृह्णाति अपि तु मम लोकं गच्छति मुक्तः भवति इति भावः.
So further on the Lord says here, evam cha, in this way, mama etad ubhayam divyam alaukikam ityevam rupena yaha ubhayam karma tatra. In this manner, mama etad ubhayam ekam karma vartate tatra sadhunam dharma sthapanaaya sadhunam parirakshanaaya. Anyat karma vartate dushtanam tatra nasha. Nashanam. So etad ubhayam, this. Or you can say, my taking birth is one, and protecting the good and the upholding the dharma is another thing. At the same time killing the. So etad ubhayam divyam alaukikam ityevam. So ubhayam here in this context refers to janma karma. Etad ubhayam janma karma cha. Ubhayam divyam asti. Alaukikam, divyam nama alaukikam. It is not samsarika. Iti evam rupena yaha janaha. In this way, whichever person tattvataha, in reality, nirbhrantam, without any confusion, paranugrahartameva janati, and he knows para anugrahartameva, to understanding the ultimate truth. Saha tadrusha purusha, such a person, parthiva sharirasya tyagat param, immediately after giving up his parthiva sharira, bhautika sharira, his material physical body, punaha martya loke janmana grukhnati. Such a person who understands this in reality will not get a body in this material world. Punaha martya loke janmana grukhnati na prapnoti, he doesn't get. Apitu, moreover, mama lokam gacchati, he goes to my loka. Muktaha bhavati iti bhavaha. That means he becomes released from janma karma. Adi samsarika samsara bandhanat sa muktaha bhavati. Now what is this mama lokam? It is there in the 15th chapter. We have already, I think, studied 15th 6th sloka. न तद् भासयते सूर्यो न शशांको न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम. So there is a place above all these galaxies. न तद् भासयते सूर्यो, there is no sunlight there, sunshine is not there. न शशांकः, neither the sun is there shining nor the moon is required there. न पावकः, nor any fire is there. यद्गत्वा, going where, having gone where, yadgatva na nivartante na punara agachanti jana taddhama paramam mama, that is my supreme abode. So that is it here. Apitu mama lokam, mama, Vaishnavas say that Goloka Vrindavana, Vaikunta, Goloka Vrindavana, Vaikunta. Yadgatva punarna tatra agaman bhavati tad mama dama lokam prapna muktaha bhavati. So that is it, Srinivas. Then avabodha abhyasa adaha vakyani uttaretu. Okay, jiveshwarayoho janma karmanoho bhedam likatu. Write the difference between jiva and ishvara, the individual soul and the super soul, and their birth and action. Would you like to answer her? जीवेश्वरयोः जन्मकर्मणोः दिव्य अदिव्य भेदः अस्ति. लौकिकालौकिक भेदः अस्ति. Something like that you can write. ईश्वरस्य जन्म कर्म च किमर्थम? What is the purpose of the Lord's janma and karma? He has already indicated himself. Paritranaya sadhunam. So, how would you answer this? Ishwarasya janma karma cha धर्म रक्षणार्थम साधु त्राणार्थम. धर्म रक्षणार्थम साधु त्राणार्थम रक्षणार्थम. You can answer that way. Sadhunam rakshanartham, dharma samsthapanartham, or that way also you can say. So the first part will remain same. Ishwarasya janma karmacha etadartham bhavati. Ishwarasya janma karmanam jnane kim phalam. Ishwarasya janma karmanam jnane. What is the result that one gets in knowing the janma karma of the Ishvara, of the Supreme Lord? What does one get, in other words, in knowing the birth and action of the Ishvara? What is the phala?
Liberation.
Mukti. Kim phalam? Mukti phalam. You can say mukti phalam. Punarjanma nashaha, or you can say punarjanma nashaha phalam asti. Fourth, punarjanma kada bhavati. When does the rebirth take place? It takes place punarjanma tada bhavati yada jiva ईश्वरस्य जन्म कर्म तत्वतः न जानाति. यदा जीवः ईश्वरस्य जन्म कर्म दिव्यं जन्म कर्म च तत्वतः न जानाति तदा पुनर्जन्म भवति. के पुनर्जन्मनि विवदन्ते? Then who are the people who dispute about the punarjanma? That information is not there here. Who oppose the punarjanma? You can say Nastikaha Vivadante. Nastikaha Janaha Punarjanmani Vivadante. Avadheyam. Now to be noted here is, you can read. Kasyachidapi, to anybody, Tattvataha, in reality, Jnane Tasmin Vishaye Brahmo Nivartati. When knowledge dawns, confusion goes away. Tasya vastavikam. So that itself is called the real knowledge, where the confusion is completely withdrawn. Like Gita says that in the beginning, Shadimam Nasto, oh no, not that. What does Arjuna say in the beginning? Prapannam. At the end of the Gita he says, Nasto moha smrutir labdha tvat prasadat maya achyuta. Oh Achyuta, by your grace, nastaha mohaha nastaha. The confusion, the bewilderment is lost. Smrutihi labdha. My memory is regained because of your Gita pravachana. Therefore, I will karishye tava vachanam tava. I will do what you say. So that is what is here referred here. Tadeva vastavikam jnanamasti. So real knowledge is to come out of the confusion regarding the reality of the Lord. If one can know the real nature of the birth, real nature of his action, then that is real knowledge. Tatra asambha. Then there will be no rise for there will be no rise for impossibility, asambhavana, or viparita bhavana, counter argument. Once knowledge comes to a person about these divine two qualities of the Lord, then there is no scope for, no question rises with regard to impossibility or counter argument, you can say. Vyakarna abhyasa, Srinivas, and the yo veti.
Yaha plus veti visarga sandhi.
Naiti.
Na plus yeti buddhi sandhi.
So I think this note is just supplied, print out, page 22, which was required. Eti dhatu, na eti. You can show them.
Yes.
Last class I read out, now we are showing you that.
Yeah. E datau, to go nati, second class,
मदादिगण एति इतः यन्ति
मध्यमपुरुष एषि इतः इथ उत्तमपुरुष एमि
इवः इवः सो दट इज नैति न एति न गच्छति यस वृद्धि संधि सो अर्जुन
सह प्लस अर्जुन विसर्ग प्लस
पूर्व रूप संधि अधः विसंधि पदानि ससंधीनि कुरु मेक संधिस नो disjoined words you join them कः जानाति विसर्ग संधि गजः गच्छति गजो गच्छति so some point of time I must have told you to my mind sandhis are natural to the human mind gajah gacchati takes you can count the time gajo gacchati is fast saying so that is the mechanism there I find balah dhavati balo dhavati is very comfortable to say that kaha avadat ko vadat here what visarga sandhi only but then akara is deleted avagra purva rupa sandhi ko vadat vrukshah asti vrukshosthi similarly vrukshosthi yah abhyarthi who is the candidate the one who is the candidate yobhyarthi na edhate vruddhi is coming here naidhate naiti like upari udaharanamasti naiti yo vetti naiti na edhate naidhati loka eshana lokeshana bhoga aishwaryam lokaishana vruddhi ai lokaishana bhoga aishwaryam भोगैश्वर्य वृद्धि पाठ औचित्यम all are वृद्धि from 7 to 10 all are वृद्धि 11:1 वन औषधि वनौष वृद्धि again रमा एति रमा एति रमैति Rama is lady, name of person. Eti is coming. Rama is coming. Ramaiti. Again Vruddhi Sandhi. Lata aushadham. Lataushadham. Lata plus aushadham. Lataushadham. So, saptama sankyatah antaparyantam Vruddhi Sandhayah santi. Akara. Krit pratyaya. Okay. sorry tyaktva tyaja tva त्यागम कृत्वा इत्यर्थः निर्दिष्ट प्रत्ययोगेन निष्पन्नं पदं लिखितम् ओके मुचक्त्वा मुक्त्वा नाम मोचनं कृत्वा हैविंग गिवन अप दात्वा दत्वा दा इति दीर्घस्य ह्रस्वं भवति तत्र दत्वा दानं कृत्वा दत्वा नाम दानं कृत्वा त्यक्त्वा नाम त्यागं कृत्वा दत्वा नाम दानं कृत्वा स्थाक्त्वा स्थित्वा स्थानं कृत्वा पाक्त्वा पाने पीत्वा पीत्वा पानं कृत्वा पीत्वा नाम पानं कृत्वा पठत्वा पठित्वा पठनं कृत्वा हसत्वा हसित्वा हसनं कृत्वा गम्त्वा गमनं कृत्वा नमक्त्वा नत्वा नत्वा गम गत्वा नम नत्वा नमनं कृत्वा एवं रूपेण एतानि भवन्ति नो ई पार्ट तद्धित प्रत्यय नॉमिनल one tatvatah, tatvena iti, that means tatvena iti, in with reality. Tatva, tas, tasi, tasil. Now there are two pratyas almost used in the same sense, Srinivas. Tasi is one, tasil, you know, tasil we have studied, taha, taha, etc. you get pratyaya. Tasischa panchamyarti, trutiyartena cha, trutiyarte cha. So we have that. Tasi is used in trutiyarte also, like this one. Tatvatah, tatvena iti. So in that sense. There are so many other sutras, we are not going into detail. Teneka, dik, etc. Now we will go to the Udarana, Srinivas. No, not Udarana. Adaha tasi pratyantena padena vakyam purayatu. So for practical purposes, we can consider tasi and tasil both as same, taha only. Finally you are left with taha. Panchamyartha will be coming there. But sometimes the understanding of this, for example, it is not given here. Himavattaha, there is a word like Himavattaha. It should be understood in the direction of the Himalayas. Himavattaha means in the direction where the Himalayas are there. So there is one sutra before that actually. That we are not seeing that. Anyway. Mantraha hinaha. Mantra Mantrataha hinaha. Tasi. No, mantraha hinaha is given. Mantrena hinaha.
Mantrataha hinaha.
No, no.
Mantrataha hinaha, mantrataha hinaha.
That is okay. Mantrataha hina is okay. This mantraha hinaha. Here are some. It should be mantrena hinaha, mantrataha hinaha. Okay, because you can see that very clearly. Tattvataha, how it is given? Tattvena iti. So tritiya should be given actually there in the vibhakti. Mantrena hinaha, mantrataha hinaha. Okay, saha dash katham akatayat. You translate, convert this adi tasi. Aditaha, very simple. Saha aditaha katham akatayat. He narrated the story from the beginning. Aditaha. Tvam dash dhani asi. Shabdataha tvam dhani asi. You are only by name rich person. You are rich by name. Saha sundaraha asti. Rupa tasil. Tasi. Rupataha. Everywhere taha. Saha rupataha sundaraha asti. He is beautiful only physically, not mentally. Physical beauty is there, but mind beauty is not there. That is what. Saha rupataha sundaraha asti. Mama dash arohati. Prushtataha aro. Somebody is climbing from my back. Prushtataha. So this way you use it. Kriya karaka sambandha. Some analysis is given here. Asti. Apeksha gamya kriya. Now most of the time it is inferred verb. You know, asti sometimes not expressed. Without that also we can get the meaning of this sentence. So akshepa gamya kriya. So that is called. It can be questioned what is there. Okay, now example not clicking, I will tell you. Na eti, we will go across. Na eti, na iti. Because it is joined with na, they are treating it as kriya bhiyam, na iti. A verbal, indeclinable verb. Janma, kartrupadam. Saha, karta. Karma, kartrupadam. Here, see the karma is kartrupada here. not grammatically, but the position wise. Tyaktva, gauna kriya. It is a secondary verb action. Gauna means subordinate, secondary. Gauna kriya. Mukhya kriya, gauna kriya. Opposite of mukhya is gauna. Pradhana kriya, otherwise. The chief verb, secondary verb. Divyam, kartru visheshanam. It is an adjective. Kartru means nominative, adjectival, noun. Subjective, adjective. Then deham.
Gauna kriyayaha karma.
Kriyayaha karma. Gauna. So it is a karma, object of the secondary or subordinate verb. Veti.
Kartari.
Active verb, kartari kriya. Punarjanma.
Mukhya kriyayaha karma.
So gauna karma, mukhya karma. Main. Mukhya kriyayaha karma. This is the object of the main verb, punarjanma.
Gauna is
Secondary. No, secondary. Gauna means not primary, secondary, subordinate. These are opposite words. Gauna, mukhya, pradhana. Then yaha, karta.
No, divyam.
Where is?
Oh no.
We have finished that.
Veti.
Eti, kartari kriya. This is active verb in active voice. Tattvataha, kriya visheshanam. Sorry, it comes as an adverb, kriya visheshanam. Mam, karma padam, objective word. Ukara, paryaya shabdaha. Januhu, janma means birth. Janu also means birth. But it is ukaranta, birth. Janus shabda, sakaranta, sorry. Napumsakala. Januhu, janushi, janumshi. Januhu, janushi, janumshi. Janusha, janubhyam, janurbihi, etc. Then you get Januhu, janushi, janumshi. Januhu, janushi, janumshi. Janusha, janurbyam, janurbihi. Janushe, janurbyam, janurbhyaha. Janushaha, janurbyam, janurbhyaha. Janushaha, janushoho, janusham. Janushi, janushoho, janush. So it gets janushu, janushu, doubles. So Genesis, janma, janus, sajjanam, jananam, kshamyata. Very simple. Janihi, ikaranta, strilinga shabda. Utpattihi. This is strilinga shabda. Udbhavaha. So mostly they are akarantas, and napumsaka is one janus shabda, and then ikaranta, utpatti shabda is there. All in the sense of birth. So in the Gita sloka, janma is used, not janus. Janma karma cha me divyam. Karma, kriya. Akaranta. Yeah, karma is the word. Synonym for that is kriya is another word. Karyam, akaranta, napumsakalinga. Leela, strilinga shabda. Like kriya, leela works. Then divyam word. Alaukikam. Akaranta visheshanam. So you can turn it into three genders. Alaukikaha, alaukiki, alaukiki maya, alaukikaha purushaha, alaukikam tattvam. Like that. Aprakrutam, karanta visheshanam. That also you can turn into three genders. Asadharanam, akaranta visheshanam. Asamanyam, akaranta visheshanam. Ishwariyam, akaranta. So bahavaha atra shabdaha visheshanattvena upayuktaha santi. वास्तविक श्लोकः पंचमः अस्मिन् पुस्तके, परन्तु वास्तविक गीतायाः 11मः श्लोकः पठ्यताम्. 5th श्लोक here, but in the Gita 11th श्लोक. ये यथा माम्
ये यथा मां
प्रपद्यन्ते
तांस्तथैव
तथैव भजाम्यहं मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्या पार्थ सर्वशः लोक लेखन अभ्यास श्लोकपदैः श्लोकं पूरयतु ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तां तथैव
भजाम्यहं
मम
वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः
पार्थ सर्वशः पदच्छेद ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तान् तथा एव भजामि अहं मम वर्त्म अनुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः पदच्छेदाभ्यास तांस्तथैव eva. There are two sandhis, one hal sandhi. This type of hal sandhi is not for beginners. The Vaya grammarians tell us not to bother about this. How tan nakaranta, na followed by ta becomes anuswara and also sakara. Tan tatha eva, tams tataiva. Anuswara and sakara. So this is the hal sandhi there. So you have done it correctly. Tatheva eva. Tathaiva it should be. Why is it going? Tatha plus eva. Tatheva. Okay. Bhajamyaham.
Bhajami plus aham.
Mistake is there, Srinivas. Tathaiva it is. Tams tathaiva. He is splitting tathaiva only. Aitva, that number is gone. Bhajami plus aham. What is this sandhi? Yes. Vartmanu vartante. Savarnadika sandhi. Vartma plus anuvartante. Vartmanu vartante savarna. So you have hal, vriddhi, yanadesha, savarna. Four sandhis in this sloka. तत्र चत्वारः सन्धयः सन्ति. एकः सन्धिः अस्ति हल् सन्धिः, अन्यः वृद्धि, अन्यः गणादेशः, अन्यः सवर्ण. पदपरिचय. ये. Can you recall the two forms? एकवचन द्विवचन. This is बहुवचन. यौ. यः यौ ये. पुल्लिंगे. स्त्रीलिंगे. या ये याः सत्यम. नपुंसक. यत् यानि. यत् ये यानि. या ये याः. यः यौ ये. यथा अव्ययम्. माम् मां मे आवां नौ अस्मान् नः इति रूपं. प्रपद्यन्ते प्रपद पद इति धातुः आत्मनेपदी. प्रपद्यते प्रपद्येते प्रपद्यन्ते प्रपद्यसे प्रपद्येते प्रपद्यद्वे प्रपद्ये प्रपद्यावहे प्रपद्यामहे इति लट् रूपाणि. पद टू गो अटेन. प्रपद टू अप्रोच. कर्तरि क्रिया. नेक्स्ट. ओह दिस साइड. अहम. अहम आवां वयम् इति. मम मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः. वर्त्म वर्त्म वर्त्मनि वर्त्मानि. वी रिकॉल्ड इट लास्ट क्लास. वर्त्म वर्त्मनि वर्त्मानि वर्त्मना. इट्स अनुवर्तन्ते. अनु वृत्ति धातुः. अनुवर्तते अनुवर्तेते अनुवर्तन्ते अनुवर्तसे अनुवर्तेथे अनुवर्तद्वे एटसेट्रा. इट गोज. कर्तरि क्रिया. कर्तरि क्रिया means active verb. Tan. But why has he given this caption here? It may be by mistake.
कर्तरि क्रिया previous page. कर्तरि क्रिया.
Yeah, active verb.
No, this heading,
Continuing from the previous page.
where is previous page Kartari Kriya Rupam?
Prapadyante. Prapadyante, then Anuvartante.
Oh, right, okay. Acha, that is where. Somehow I am not. Tataiva, Tata plus Eva.
Tata plus Eva.
Eva.
Tata plus Eva. Avyaya.
Samuchaya. A mixture of avyayas here. Two avyayas joining here. Tata is one avyaya, Eva is another avyaya. Bhajami.
Bhajati dhatu lat. Uttama purusha ekavaya kartari.
This is actually Ubhayapadi. Bhaja dhatu is Ubhayapadi. So, Bhajami is Parasmayapadi. If it were Atmanepadi, Bhajeham, it is Ubhayapadi. Bhaje, Bhajavahe, Bhajamahe. Then we go to next. Kartari Kriyapad. Manushyaha.
Akaranta kumunu prathama.
Partha.
Akar kumunu sambodhana prathama.
But this is misleading Kriyapadam. Why is he giving that? We are talking about here nouns.
No, it is continuation of the earlier page. The two words. Prapadyante. Prayati sarga paditi dhatu lat prathama purusha bahuvachan atmanepadi kartari kriya.
Oh. Okay. The printing then. So there is in the printing there is some problem. There is a confusion there, right? Vargikarnabhyasa. Now what is this? Where is Manusha? Not done. I would Partha. सर्वशः अव्ययम् शस् प्रत्ययान्तम् ओके वर्गीकरणाभ्यास अधः निर्दिष्टवर्गेषु श्लोकपदानि डिवाइड दी श्लोकपदास् ओके प्रथमान्तं त्रीणि पदानि ये फर्स्ट ये यह ये द वेरी फर्स्ट वर्ड ये प्रथमान्तं ना ये अहम No. Sarvasha is avyaya. Manushyaha, that's it. Ye aham manushyaha. You are right. Ye aham manushyaha. Next. Dvitiyantam trini padani. Yes, good. Tan. माम तान मामिति एकम तान इति द्वितीयम तृतीयम वर्तम ओह वर्तम could be द्वितीय ना द्वितीय वर्तम but it is also oh द्वितीयांतम correct क्रियापदम प्रपद्यन्ते भजामि अनुवर्तन्ते क्रियापदानि त्रीणि सन्ति तत्र प्रपद्यन्ते भजामि अनुवर्तन्ते इति अनन्तरम् अव्ययपदानि त्रीणि यथा तथैव अन्ते एकम् अव्ययं सर्वशः यथा तथैव सर्वशः राइट सर्वनामपदानि पञ्च. Oh, so many. Now you can take first one. Ye, mam, tan, mama. Ye, mam, tan, aham. Aham is there, na? Ye, mam, tan, aham, mama. Iti pancha tatra sarvanama padani santi. So, what I observed, I told you last class, how important are Sarvanama Shabdas in understanding the slokas. You should have total comprehension of this. Nakarantam Shabda, only one. Eka eva Nakaranta Shabda avashyaka. Nakarantam, Vartma. पुंलिङ्गपदानि चत्वारि पुंलिङ्गपदानि ए तान् तान् इस् आल्सो पुल्लिङ्ग तच्छब्द ये तान् मनुष्याः संबोधनपदं पार्थ नो पुल्लिङ्गपदानि चत्वारि 4 ये तान् मनुष्याः पार्थ ओके नपुंसकलिङ्गपदम् एकम् अगेन वर्तमान only there is only one word sambodhana padam ekam partha so this is a kind of identifying each and every word and tracing it to its moola rupa nice exercise vargikarana is good classification practice of classification of the words into their original akanksha. Now comes our akanksha. Prapadyanti, prapnuvanti, bhajanti. These are the three verbs used here. Etani trini tatra kriyapadani santi. Prapadyante, prapnuvanti, bhajanti. Prapadyante means prapnuvanti, they get. Approach, bhajanti. Ke prapadyanti, who approach or who resort to. K-A. Because in our Sanskrit, whatever the question is, suitably the answer will be. Yau tatra gacchataha, tau tatra gacchataha. This is yau, the answer will be yau. Yaha tatra gacchati, who is going there? Kaha tatra gacchati, saha tatra gacchati. Kaha takes. Ye kam prapadyante, who approach whom? ये मां प्रपद्यन्ते द्वितीया एकवचन सर्वनाम ये केन प्रकारेण मां प्रपद्यन्ते who by what method approach me avyayam that is used in the poem sarvashah Srinivas ye maam yatha prapadyateva you have to use sarvashah here kena prakarena avyayam he is asking you to use avyaya Srinivas sarvashah only next he has given this block ye maam yatha prapadyante tataiva kim bhavati those who approach me what happens to them then what happens to them kaha tathaiva bhajati who worships that way only no this question pratama ekavachana sarvanama shabda no question itself is I think if it is put in dvitiya kaha shabda it will be nice kam tathaiva bhajati bhajanti kam tathaiva bhajanti whom people approach in the same manner that may be making some sense then Sri Krishnam tathaiva bhajanti would have been better and what is he saying kaha tathaiva bhajati means bhaja lat pratama ekavachana sarvanama shabda pratama ekavachana sarvanama or you take yaha tathaiva bhajati Srinivas will it be okay kaha tathaiva bhajati yaha tathaiva bhajati whoever approaches in this similar manner so we can take as per the direction given here prathama ekavachana sarvanama shabda he wants you to use so kaha tathaiva bhajati who worships in the same manner whoever worships kaha yaha tathaiva bhajati the one who worships him in the said manner okay anyway that is not very clear aham kan tathaiva bhajami Dvitiya Bhagavachanam Sarvanama. Tan. If he has used kan, he is expecting us to use tan. Aham, that is there. Aham tan tathaiva, that is there in the text itself. Tan tathaiva bhajami. I favor them, I consider them in the same manner. In the manner they approach me. Anuvartante, anusaranti iti. So, ke anuvartante hoga. Okay. Ke anuvartante, who follow? No. Akaranta pullinga pratama bahuvachana. Manushya. Ke anuvartante, manushaha anuvartante. Who follow? Men follow. Manushaha kim anuvartante? Men follow what? Nakaranta vartma. Manushaha vartma anuvartante. Manushaha kasya vartma anuvartante? Men follow the path of whom? Whose path men follow? Manushaha mama vartma anuvartante. Shashti ekvachan sarvanamsham. Manushaha mama vartma kena rupena anuvartante. How do people follow my path? Shasantam avyayam. That is avyaya. Sarvashaha. Manushaha mama vartma sarvashaha anuvartante. Amma antato gatva anvayartha. Drilling exercises these are. He partha. So that is the anvayartha. Sorry. He partha or Arjuna, ye janaha माम श्री कृष्णम यथा येन प्रकारेण शत्रुत्वेन मित्रत्वेन वा येन यथा मीन्स येन प्रकारेण शत्रुत्वेन वा मित्रत्वेन वा यथा ते माम प्रपद्यन्ते तान तथैव भजामि. I favor them in the similar manner. As they approach me, so I reciprocate. It is all up to them. Shatrutvena yadi mam anuvartante aham tesham shatrur bhavami. Mitratvena yadi prapadyante mam tarhi aham tesham mitram bhavami iti. Tatra. Aham na kimapi karomi. Beautiful example is given. That is why I have given that note also of Nilakanta commentary. Manushyaha mama vartma sarvashaha anuvartanti. Men follow by my path in all quarters, always in all quarters. That is what he says. So Padartha we can read. Can we? Partha. Ye Manushya. Mam Shri Krishnam Yatha Prapadyante Prapnuvanti. Otherwise Aham Bhagavan Shri Krishna Tan Tathaiva Prakarena Bhajami Manushyaha Karmarataha Janaha Karma Piditaha Janaha Mama Shri Krishnasya Mama Narayanasya Vartma Margam. Margam, simply Margam also. Bhajana Margam is given by Madhusudana Saraswati. Sarvashaha Sarvatu Sarvaihi Prakaraihi is better. Sarvataha means Sarva Sarvasha Sarvaihi Prakara by all means. Anuvartanti Anusaranti. Atra vayam sthapayamaha. Shivam bhuyat.